Everyone wants to be a data scientist because of high salary packages and AI hype. But nobody's talking about the actual reality of this field in 2026. In this video, I'll tell you why I decided to build my career in data science even after knowing how competitive this field has become. Over the last few years, data science has become one of the most talked about careers on the internet. Whenever you open YouTube, you will see titles like this: Become data scientist in 6 months, 50 LPA data science salary, AI will change everything. And honestly, this hype became even bigger after ChatGPT and AI tools started becoming popular. Everyone wants to learn Python, AI, ML, data analytics because this field started looking exciting, futuristic, and high paying. And to some extent, this hype is actually real. Companies today are heavily investing in AI automation, cloud systems, analytics, recommendation system, and data-driven decision making. Whether it's Netflix recommendation systems, Amazon product suggestions, Instagram Reels, and even UPI fraud detection, data is powering almost everything. And because of this, millions of students and working professionals started entering into this field. But here's where the actual reality of this field starts. Most people are entering into this field because of social media hype, not because they actually understand what this field requires. People think learning one Python course, making one dashboard, is enough to become a data scientist. But the reality in 2026 is very different. Now let's talk about the actual reality of data science in 2026. And honestly, this is the part most influencers avoid. The biggest problem now is not that data science is dead. The real problem is saturation at the beginner level. Thousands of people are learning the same things. Same Python tutorials, same copied projects, same dashboards, and then applying to hundreds of jobs with almost same and identical resumes. And this is not just my opinion. For example, if you go on Reddit communities like our data science, you will find real professionals discussing how the market has become much more competitive compared to few years ago. Most people there are saying that entry level roles are crowded and companies are now expecting much more stronger practical skills. And honestly, if you open LinkedIn jobs and search for roles like data analyst, data scientist, ML engineer, you will notice something interesting. A lot of these jobs already have hundreds or even thousands of applicants, which means the competition is real. But here's something important: competition doesn't mean there are no opportunities. It simply means that companies have become more selective. And companies today don't just want certificates anymore. They want projects, problem solving, cloud basics, Python, SQL, and people who can actually work with data. Another major reason behind this shift is AI. Earlier, companies hired people for repetitive manual tasks, but now many basic tasks can already be automated using AI tools. And because of this, companies expect candidates to provide much more stronger skills starting from the day one. Even according to WEF, World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report, AI and data related jobs are still among the fastest growing careers globally. At the same time, report also mentions requirements are changing rapidly because of AI and automation. And LinkedIn's AI job trend reports are also showing that AI related hiring is increasing. But companies are focusing much more on practical skills now. So the reality in 2026 is very simple. Opportunities are still there. Field is already growing. But shortcut learning is not going to work anymore. Now comes the biggest question. Is AI replacing data science? And honestly, this fear is understandable. Today, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, GitHub Copilot, and many AI platforms can already write code, clean datasets, generate SQL queries, and even explain ML concepts. So, naturally, many people feel if AI can do everything, then what will humans do? But here's the reality: AI is not going to completely replace data scientists. It is just changing what companies expect from them. AI is extremely good at predictable tasks and repeated tasks, but real world data science is much more than just writing code. For example, AI can generate a SQL query, but it still doesn't understand business concepts, company goals, stakeholder requirements, and this is something many beginners misunderstand. In real companies, one of the biggest challenge is not building fancy AI models. It's understanding messy data and solving actual business problems. For real example, at Morningstar Sustainalytics, there are AI enhancements going on for AI extraction using prompt engineering. But still, there is a need of an expert who understands this ESG data, who knows what kind of data needs to be analyzed and researched based on the organization's methodology. Today, companies are not just hiring people who know Python. They want people who can think analytically, understand business problems, work with data pipelines, validate outputs, communicate insights, and use AI tools productively. And according to World Economic Forum and LinkedIn job reports, AI related job is actually growing rapidly. So the real danger in 2026 is not AI itself. The real danger is staying average. So instead of asking will AI replace data science, maybe the better question is can I adapt and grow along with AI? So after knowing all of this, the hype, the competition, the rise of AI, changing job market, the final question is data science still worth it in 2026?
Thousands of applicants. Is it still worth it? I will find the truth.
Honestly, my answer is yes, but not for the reasons that social media tells you. You should not choose data science just because someone showed a 50 LPA package or AI is trending or people on the internet are saying its future. Because reality in this field is not easy anymore. It requires consistency, problem solving, continuous learning, patience, and ability to adapt. There will be moments where things won't work, projects will fail, concepts will feel confusing, and you will feel everyone else is ahead of you. But honestly, that's true for almost every valuable career. The good thing about data science in 2026 is that this field is still evolving very fast. AI, cloud systems, analytics, automations, recommendation systems, business intelligence, all of these areas are growing together. And companies today are generating more data than ever before, which means businesses will still need people who can analyze data, understand the data, solve complex problems, and help the business to take more better decisions. But one thing in 2026 is very important, that average learning is not going to work. Just watching tutorials and collecting certificates is not enough anymore. People who will grow in this field are the people who stay consistent, build projects, adapt with AI, and genuinely enjoy learning. So if you're someone who likes solving problems, working with technology, understanding patterns, and continuously improving yourself, then yes, data science is absolutely worth choosing in 2026. So instead of asking, is data science really worth it in 2026? Maybe the better question is, how can I be ready to become genuinely skillful in this field?